Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little test pour I was doing using this absolutely vile looking colour that I wish I could mimic it again, the colour. I know it looks horrible but it doesn't turn out that way. It was about 3 colours I mixed to just mix, and it's turned out like a baby poo avocado colour, but what I do with it, it just is sensational. And if I could get this colour again, I would. I've tried all morning to mix the same colour. I'm thinking it was, I know I had orange, and I think I put either bronze or copper in it, or could have been gold, and green, deep green. I've been mixing colours and cannot get the same colour, but this turned out really well with what I'm about to do. Rightio, okay, crying over because I can't get the same colour. I coated the one canvas, so I was going to do 2 little canvases, and they're 20 by 20, just with a cup pour, a dirty cup pour, and just doing, as you see, loading the cup with white and this mucky green colour, avocado colour, but which I love in the end. I can't get over it. Just can't get over it, but you'll see. So it was just, I was going to pour on the white canvas, just a straight pour, as you will see. Just sort of giving it a jiggle every now and again, and then I'm going to pour a little bit differently on the avocado canvas. So let's see what happens between the two. So as you can see, the first canvas that I poured, those colours actually look so beautiful together, the white and that. The effect on the canvas was just beautiful, and this is really an in colour at the moment. I don't know whether it is in most parts of the world, but sort of the greens, earthy colours are really in. So I'm definitely going to try and get somewhere close to the colour because they turned out beautiful. So as you can see, I poured over that avocado green in like a ring pour, and it came out differently again. And what I'm going to do is just enhance the corners with one blown out flower, and I'm going to use for my cell activator for the centre of my blowout flower. It's Amsterdam gold, metallic gold with Australian Floetrol. So my cell activator, as they call it, it is gold. So that was the green dark that I know that was somewhere in the mix of that mystery colour. So I'm going to just put the deep green and that cell activator, the Amsterdam gold, and I'm going to use my straw to blow this one out because it's only on a small canvas. And I was already like thinking, you can't really see the colour of that deep green in there. It kind of looks black looking on, but it was a real deep green, and it looked so nice with those mystery colour and the white. So here you go. I'm just going to try doing similar, but I'm going to add silver in the mix, and I will add the green deep, and then I will put on my the top layer. I will add the metallic gold again and blow these out. Now let's see what we get with this little colour. See, putting that silver in there did add a little bit more dimension to the piece, but it doesn't do it justice looking back on this video now, because they're absolutely gorgeous. I will be showing you the dried pieces, and they turned out lovely, so much so that I got straight back in after this because I was so excited, and I had a bit of the mystery colour left that I poured on a lovely gallery wrapped canvas. I think it was a 40 by 40, and that has turned out U-Beaut super duper. So I know these kind of little pieces will sell really well, so I have to try and mimic this in a bigger and better canvas. But I hope you enjoyed this little test. Like I said, it was experimenting. What I decided to do there, just the balloon kiss back in the centre, but I was taking too much colour out, so I added a little bit more of the bottle green. Definitely looks black on the camera, doesn't it? But it was that deep bottle green, and it looks so nice. So I was super duper happy with the results of these two little pieces. So might actually try and put them together in a frame and see how they come out, but they've dried beautiful. Super happy. I know you don't think the colour looks that special, but it really is lovely in real life. So my lovelies, keep experimenting on with pieces and having fun and loving the results. So I hope you get some you can take pieces of knowledge from me or not, that's up to you guys, but it's certainly a nice peaceful pastime. Until next time, please take care. Let me know what you think of this mystery colour and what colour I could actually do to make a similar colour. Alrighty, bye for now.